Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily withdraw money from Empower. So all you have to do is just head over to empower.com. From there, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, just hover your mouse to the banking tab, and from there you should be able to see transfer. Just hover your mouse on it again, and from there you should be able to see transfer funds. Just click on it. Next is you have to choose from the following options. Just select the accounts you want involved in the transfer request, and one of the accounts must be your cash account. Next is just enter the transfer amount. Also choose the transfer frequency from one time, weekly, monthly, or annually. Then once done, just review your selected accounts and the transfer amount before checking the authorization box. Then once done, just click on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!